In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your country on the Amazon app. Changing your country setting is necessary if you are traveling or have moved to a different location. It ensures that you have access to the correct currency, shipping options, and local content. To get started, open up the Amazon app and then tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. If you can't see the settings option straight away, you might have to scroll down to the bottom to find it. Now, you'll see an option called Country and Language. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you have the ability to change your country or region. To do that, tap over here. Scroll down this list and tap to select your desired country. Once you've selected your desired country, tap the Done button to save changes. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.